Hi, I'm Siddhartha Sareen, and today we at Youth for Work will discuss the eligibility criteria on Guru Nanak Institute of Hotel Management, which conducts GNIHM JET. The eligibility criteria varies from course to course for GNIHM JET. Eligibility criteria for GNIHM JET is BSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management, Bachelor's in Hotel Management and Catering Technology, and Bachelor's in Hospitality Management. Aspirants must have qualified higher secondary exam. MSc in Hospitality and Hotel Management and MBA in Hospitality and Hotel Management aspirants must be graduated in any stream. Diploma in Hotel and Hospital Operations aspirants must have qualified higher secondary exam or graduate in any stream. So if you value the content of our video, please like, share and comment on our channel.